Wonder Woman, what happened?
Can't you see the flash? I fell off my motorcycle and broke it completely.
You don't have your invisible jet because you weren't in it.
How am I going to get home with my motorcycle all broken like this?
Don't worry, Wonder Woman. I'll bring you a much better motorcycle, Wonder Woman.
Oh, so whoever brings the best motorcycle will be my boyfriend.
Ah, so get ready, Wonder Woman. Bro, give me the fastest and most beautiful motorcycle in the world. Look, Wonder Woman, the fastest and most beautiful motorcycle of all.
Wow, Cyborg, I loved this motorcycle. I thought it was very beautiful.
Wonder Woman, I also want to bring you a motorcycle. Dude, give me a motorcycle. Beautiful here. Wonder Woman, what did you think of this?
Wow, Aquaman, I think this is my favorite. I loved this motorcycle.
Oh no, it seems that Wonder Woman will never be my girlfriend. They brought very beautiful and very expensive motorcycles, and I only have $1 in my pocket. Friends, please help me by liking and subscribing to the channel.
Here's a flash of $100K for you to buy a motorcycle.
Dude, give me a Kawasaki. Look, Wonder Woman brought a Kawasaki. Beautiful.
Wow, what a wonderful motorcycle. I love you so much. I loved it.
Seriously then, let's go. I'll take you home.
Bruh.